Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your project and choosing the activity where you need persistent small data. Next, create or pick a pref's name and call get shared preferences. Pref's name, mode private on your context. This gives you a shared preferences instance you can read from and write to. Do this now so code paths share the same name. Once done, keep the pref's name as a constant. That ensures all components target identical storage and prevents accidental duplication. You will now write and read values. To save, call prefs. Edit, chain put string or putint calls for each key, then call apply. To persist asynchronously, apply avoids blocking the UI thread. To read, call prefs. Get string, key, default, or get int, key, 0, and handle the default when no value exists. Make sure to commit only when synchronous write confirmation is required, otherwise use apply. Also, once saved, values are immediately available to other components that use the same pref's name. Finish by cleaning up and ensuring consistency. Remove individual keys with editor. Remove, key, apply, or wipe all with editor. Clear, apply. If multiple activities use the same storage, register and on shared preference change listener to react to changes. Make sure listeners are registered and unregistered appropriately to avoid leaks. Troubleshooting tip: if values seem missing, verify you use the exact same pref's name and context. Using a different context or typo in the name is the most common cause of silent failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.